Hey guys, how's it going? I'm gonna be showing you guys some more clips of my exhaust. I have a muffler delete with the MRT H pipe. I've actually had the muffler delete on my car for a while now, for the past 12,000 miles, and I recently just added the H pipe. And the clips you're about to see are drive-bys, start and goes, and also I guess point of views, so you can see inside the cabin how it sounds. So just keep watching. Alright guys, so this is 60 miles an hour on the highway, and now it's a 65. And the reason I say between 70 and 80 miles an hour, because that's where the most drone hits. So this is 70 right now, 75, and I mean, as you can clearly hear, the drone does get louder. Then when you get to 80, it does get even louder. So, I mean, the reason I say between 70 and 80 miles an hour, because where I live, I do live in Texas, and the majority of these highways around me are 75 miles an hour speed limit. So, of course, whenever I do drive long distances, I am driving between 70 and 80 miles an hour. So, alright guys, so as you can see in the last clip about the drone on the highway, it's pretty loud. But I mean, if you don't daily your car, it doesn't really bother you. But I mean, if you drive your car more than 30-40 miles a day, you know, it gets pretty annoying whenever you're driving between 70 and 80 miles an hour. So I mean, as far as drone wise, it's not that bad until you start driving a long distance. So if you don't drive long every day, then I mean, it wouldn't be a problem to you, honestly. I mean, it does sound, it is a really good exhaust for the price, you know, muffler delete and then an H pipe. That's all it is, and it sounds really good, and it's real loud as well. But other than the drone, it's a real good exhaust. It's loud, and I mean, it idles real good. At idle, it's pretty loud, and it's loud when you get on it. I mean, it's a head turner whenever you get on it on the highway, and people just stare at you and just look at you.
Say it's nasty.
It's nasty. Next video, I'm actually going to the Boiler Attack mufflers. Like I said, I do drive my car every single day. I daily it, and you know, I take trips to it. I drive to Dallas, and I drive to San Antonio, and it is pretty loud, and I don't really like it. So I'm actually going to the Boiler Attack mufflers. So if you stay tuned, this next video is going to be showing you some more exhaust clips, drive-bys, start and goes, and it's going to have the Boiler Attack mufflers with the MRT H pipe. So just stay tuned. Just if you like this video, like, subscribe, comment down below. If you have any questions, I'll answer them for you. Just stay tuned, and I hope you guys come back.